Actually, he doesn't know under delivery tolerances and all. He is not aware actually. Okay, he is trying to create a goods receipt, but he get an error. But he is not aware. What is this? So where to change? So you have to educate them. Boss, you have set under delivery tolerance 10%. So you cannot create goods receipt less than the uh, under delivery tolerance price or pieces. Okay, so you have to educate. If you say yes, no, I don't want that one, please remove. Then you can change it to purchase value key. Okay, he will. You
Okay.
can ask them to change to purchasing value key appropriate. Okay, so like that you will do. Okay, you will just educate the end user. You will not do anything. You will not create material master. You will not change the material master. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Fine.
clear?
Fine. Clear.
Hmm.
Sir, in this case,
Sorry. Yes, tell me.
yeah, in this case, how we know the exceeding the quantity or tolerance level or below the tolerance level? How you know? And is there any error throws?
He will get an error. Okay, he will get an
He no
error.
no the end user will get the how MM consultants knows the this order is
It's a
the
it's a
exceeding
user
the
friendly,
quantity.
right? That's why we'll get the
Yes, yes.
errors.
So Kishore, what will happen? End user will get a ticket. Will get a error. That error he will create. He will create a ticket. In that ticket, he will put a screenshot for us to say this is the error I am getting. Based on error, we will understand. Okay, Kishore,
No,
clear?
that I understood, sir.
Hmm.
If the scenario is if the MM end user send the one ticket, the ticket says that the quantity is not taken,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So in that case, we have to go through the like MM procedure, like consultants procedure.
Yeah.
How you know whether this is the exact situation and this will be the issue?
By practice, you should understand. You will understand.
Yeah, yeah. Is
Here
there
itself you
any
will
other
practice.
source or we have to go through the pin to pin?
No, no, no. By practice, you will come to know. So if you see this is under delivery tolerance violation. Like that, it will show. So under delivery means directly you come to material master. You will see if there is any under delivery tolerance set. Okay.
The under tolerance set is the not constant, right? The order to order it will be maybe increase or decrease.
Wherever, whatever the error, based on the error. So if suppose if it is throwing some error, so if he is trying to create material and he is not able to create material because of he is giving some base unit of measure, let's say something he is whatever it is not there in that list, it is not there that he is trying to create. So obviously it will give an error. Okay, unit is not created in language EM. So he will he don't know what are all available and what he has to put. Then by seeing you have to understand. Yes, unit is unit of so and so not created in language. So this unit of measure it is not available. So please select appropriate one. So from the error only you need to understand.
Yeah, that I noted. And one more thing,
Hmm.
if the unit of measurement, this is the standards, or we can add any new UAMs, unit of measurement.
All are available. So even single unit of measure is not missed. Okay, dozens are there, months are there, hours are there, seconds are there, millimeters are there,
Yeah,
break
if
units
see
are there.
the some parties given some new unit of measurement, like if you example for the numbers or the pieces
It
lump
is
sum
there,
LS.
everything it is there. Unit of
Yeah, if
measure,
not,
nothing is missed.
we can add.
No, it is there, everything it is there. In our SAP
Okay.
functionality, everything it is there. You say whatever you want, I will show you.
Okay. If not, we have to use only standard
Yeah,
units
yeah.
of bill of materials.
Yes.
Okay, okay, understood. And why here this active slot is not showing
Which one?
this close that's
Hmm.
here the last please drop down
Down. Okay.
not here just you explain in the
Basic
another way.
purchasing view. Okay.
Yeah, purchasing view.
Yeah.
That acknowledgement read and unlimited
This
order
is also
delivery.
a set. Actually, we have set of values.
Okay.
Even this purchasing value key we also can set. Okay. So for example,
Okay.
yeah, we also can set actually. So for example, we can set if you want. Where do we set? So let me show you where do we create that purchasing value keys. Go to materials management. Under materials management, general settings, materials management. Somewhere we have we will maintain. That I will show you. Material master. So purchasing value key here you can set, you can create. Okay. So for example, purchasing value key here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that we have, right? So if you try, if you copy from 2, okay. So you can set. So let's say purchasing value key you want to first reminder you want to give in 2 days, and second reminder you want to give in 5 days. Second, third reminder you want to give in 10 days. Okay. So here let's say this is 7. Okay, purchasing value key. So under delivery tolerance or delivery tolerances, so it will be not available. If you give or delivery tolerances, it will either one only it is allowed. Okay, if you want to you can maintain here, if you want you can maintain here, but both it is not possible. And shipping instructions, so shipping instructions what are there? So here let's say whatever. Okay, and here minimum delivery percentage, let's say minimum 50% you are expecting, and if there is a standard delivery, so you can ignore. So like that you can create. Okay, so click on enter, then save it, and that is available in selection. Okay, from there you can select. Under delivery tolerances, over delivery tolerances, it is not displayed, right? So maybe it is selecting from other area. So here acknowledgement required, right? So you have option acknowledgement required, unlimited or delivery tolerances. For example, you just select, let's say 9. You just copy it to 9. Specify target entries. So 9 or 99. So if you come back and you check, there is refresh problem. You have to execute once again. So here now you see, if you select 9 or 99, so it will be acknowledgement required selected. You can see 9. Now you see under unlimited delivery and acknowledgement required. So like that you also can define. So this is actually consultant role. Okay, if suppose he is having separate something different scenario, so I want under delivery tolerance, and these are all mismatch is there, and as per their requirement we need to create, means consultant only will create, he will select from there. You will create it and you will show him it is available, then he will select. So this is actually previously it was not there by selecting these two, but we have done. So he will be able to select it, he can use of it. Clear, guys?
Noted.
Yeah, so that is the way you can do. Not only purchasing value key, we have so many configuration, whatever you see it here. So here define manufacturing part, this is industry sector also we have somewhere. Okay. Inventory management, error edits, environmental data. Okay, here define buyers. Okay, tax judiciary, all the measurements you have. Okay, so base unit of measure also we can see somewhere. If you find it, you can find it. Base unit of measure also you can you have option to create manufacturing terms of payment to check instructions. So all these things you will see, you will come across. Okay, so that is the way you will select, right? And next one is JR processing time. What is this JR processing time? For example, you have ordered the material and the vendor sent material. So material reached to your company. After it is reached to your company, how many days it takes time to process it? For example, if you see in front of a sugarcane factory, okay, in front of a sugarcane factory, there are big line, track will be there, right? Track is slowly moving inside, and it means it is whatever the track it is inside. So that is that means it is processing. So like that, for example, it takes at least 2 days time to process it. Sugarcane factory, your sugarcane, it will go and it will process in 2 days. So like that, if there is a requirement JR processing time, you can select it in days. Okay, how many days it takes time to create JR. Okay, so here one more we have, few more we have. So what are that? Post to inspection stock. So suppose vendor send material, but you are doubtful whether the stock is quality material or not, whether you can accept or not. So if you are doubtful, directly you can send that material to inspection, quality check. So if you want to select this option, so you have to tick an indicator, then that material directly post to inspection, not to direct usage, unrestricted. So that is the indicator. And quota arrangement. So quota arrangement in real time nobody is using. Okay, even I have not yet used any real time projects. So actually quota arrangement is like, so whatever the requirement you do have, how many vendors are available, so how much percentage you will be able to give order to available vendors. So that is, so you will give the order in quota wise. Okay, it is not a quote is different, quotation is different, and quota is different. Here quota is like partitioning, you will partitioning the required quantity into among all the available vendors. So that is quota arrangement. You said we have a concept. Okay, so master data we have, right? So quota arrangement and service master I said, right? So we will discuss here quota arrangement. And the next one is source list. So here what is source list? For example, this material. So this material who are all supplying. So we will list the source of supply who are all providing the material. So we will list the source of supply, that is source list. Okay, so as per your requirement you will select. If you don't have any requirement, so you can deselect. So these are all optional fields. So if you want, you can select. And here you see unit of issue. As I said, unit of order can be order unit can be different from unit of issue. Unit of issue can be different from base unit of measure. Or if it is all same, so you can use same also. Okay, and temperature conditions. So this material, if suppose subjected to maintain in certain temperatures, refrigerators are hot area, so how do you want? So the temperature conditions also you can maintain, you can specify it here. So this material subjected to maintain some certain temperature, so like that you can select. And storage conditions. So what is the storage conditions? So for example, the storage conditions is like, so how do you want to store the material? It is also same. So you want to store it in refrigerator, you want to store it in something else, so you can select storage conditions and temperature conditions. And container requirement. So container requirement means while loading and or unloading, so how do you want to operate this material? So the container requirement you can specify. Okay, and here hazard material number. Hazard material means, so there are some explosive material, dangerous material, or bomb blast materials. So those materials you can give reference. For example, this material also is such a material or like that material. So you can give that material reference. But this material is same like this material. So please be careful. So this material is hazard material. So like that you can give reference number, the hazard material number. And CC physical inventory indicator. So what is this indicator? So in indicator, we will define the cycles. For example, this material, we will do physical inventory check and system inventory check. So how much stock actual available in our warehouse and how much stock it is showing in our system. So every time we will check the quantity. Okay, so how much stock it is available in real time, how much stock it is showing in system. So that quality check, that physical inventory check, we will do periodically or cyclic order. So for example, every month we will do, or if it is very rarely used, yearly once we will do, or 6 months once, or 4 months once, 2 months once, 3 months once. So how do you want? So that will be defined in cycles. So 12 cycles, 1 cycle, or 6 cycles, 2 cycles in a year. So like that we will define. That is CC physical inventory indicators. So that is, we have concept physical inventory management. That time we will discuss it once again. Okay, so these are all the things we will see. Batch management, I said, right? Sometimes we will maintain batches material, so that is batch management. CC fixed also same, guys. So shelf life data. So what is the shelf life data? For example, I have bread manufacturing company. Okay, I have bread manufacturing company. If today I manufacture a bread, how many days it can be valid? After 6 or 7 days, it will be spoiled, right? So I can maintain in time unit also, days or months. So this shelf life data, mainly we use it in food processing industries or pharmaceutical industries. Some drugs, it will be expiry date will be there, right? So like that, or some bread here. So within 7 days, it will be spoiled. If I keep this bread 6 days and 7th day, if I release, so is it possible it will reach it to consumer in 1 day and consumer can consume it? No, right? So here you have to define maximum how many days you can keep that material in your factory and how many days you will left to the consumer or outside to consume it. So that different definition you have to do it. So this is addition of total is equal to total shelf life. So for example, if you keep 2 days in your factory and 5 days is sufficient to reach to consumer. For example, so it has to reach to stockist, then wholesaler, then retailer, then consumer, and consumer also can consume it in 2 days. So like that, so it has to define. Okay, so not only bread, okay, some pharmaceutical companies, they maintain some drugs, they will put expiry dates, right? So all these things you can put it in months or years or days or hours, so you can maintain shelf life data. So this is all about shelf life data. And so gross weight and all. So this one we have discussed, right? Based on account category reference selection, the evaluation classes will be available, and price control selection, it is depends on account category reference selection in the material type and total stock, total value. So these are the properties we will come across. So you have to select account evaluation class. If it is the price control S, standard price you have to maintain. If it is price control B, you have to maintain moving average price. Click on enter, save. So like that, material master can be created. Okay, so any questions, anyone? Any questions, guys?
Yes, sir. Vamshi here.
Yes, Vamshi, please.
Hello.
Yeah, Vamshi.
Sir, in this case, you have given example for one single part creation, no, sir. If you want to create some bulk number of parts, so for that we need to prepare any
we have
update.
We have a program LSMW, so that we can do it through LSMW. Bulk material you say upload or those things we can do it in LSMW. Legacy system migration workbench, that is also we have a concept that we will discuss. Okay, so
at present I'm using this T-code ZMAT.
Yes, Vamshi.
So at present we are using this T-code noted as ZMAT_P for this part creation of bulk. So that is not standard, no, sir. That they are done by our company people, I think so.
That is the standard T-code, so we cannot execute in our servers. Okay, we can you can execute in your server only.
Okay.
We have standard
Fine,
MM01, MM02, MM03 for material master.
Okay.
Okay. So guys, any questions, anyone? Please let me know. Otherwise, we can close for the day. Next batch already it is time over. Any questions, anyone? Guys, please log in
Thank
back.
you,
No,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, please log in back, guys. We'll continue.